How y'all doing? This is not Into the Night with Incomitatum. It's a snowy day. That's right. It's a snowy day. Thanks to Chillhop Music. I'm making a bit of a vlog. I've been watching several other artists do their thing, and I'm super impressed with them about how they produce, and yet they also control their own energy. So it might be that live streaming is not the thing that I should be doing. How will you know if a thing is good for you? Does it produce fruit? The mix might be too loud. Gotta turn it down. Well, thanks to Chillhop Radio for providing my opportunity to be able to be in the flow today. So what am I doing? Well, hey, I'm Andrew Chasen. This is Andrew Chasen Design. I live at my computer on the days that God gives me strength. 2020 is one of those things where I'm trying to learn to lean into my weaknesses, be more open and honest about them, while also categorizing my strengths. So if you don't know, I might not have an image for it. There's a version of me I might like you to see. But normally the artist hides behind his anonymity. Can I get this thing to make a thing for me? We all use Facebook 'cause it's free. This vlog of mine is not going to be perfect. It's only mildly produced, and the machine can't handle too many big ideas at once. Running Chrome and Photoshop is almost impossible. But I get by. It's not a complaint. It's an observation. Yeah, Facebook just might be being a piece of crap tonight. Today. It is daytime. I'm talking to you not only for my own sanity, but because I haven't had an opportunity to reach out in a little while. I got some crud, and because I'm a man, I need to feel real small about it. You know how it goes. But today is Wotan's Day, and I'm thinking about my creator, and I'm thinking about what I'm thankful for, and I'm thinking about the direction that I want to take my life with your help. And so, who knows if Facebook ever did what I said. Here we go. Hi, this might be a version of me. It's a pleasure to meet you. Yeah, this is me drawing me Bob's Burger style. Alright! Only imagine that my whole body is filled with poop, and my back is broken, or fucked up from some weird mutant arthritis that we haven't defined what it is yet. Like, there's something wrong, and we're sending love and the O'Briens from here to here. We are weird stained glass window dudes, and I hope that you can receive my light tonight. So this is a solo stream vlog video thing where I talk about myself for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you some things that I'm going to be working on today, and then you'll be able to follow me on social media and see the fruits of whether or not the chaos of the universe actually allowed me to do what I set out to do today. Could this vlog itself be a distraction from doing what it's supposed to do? You have to decide that. I hope that you've had enough time to take this in. Do you need me to read it to you? Could I try to? Today's vibe is produced by Chillhop Radio. As you approach, you smell the musk and filth of a great beast that's been locked away for some time. Insects swarm in the heat. while large eyes shift and study your movements through thick wire bars. The clearing is strewn with junk and bear traps. Seems this coop was built to be sturdy and is reinforced. Looking close, there may be other security measures in place too. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Here's another one. Ooh, that's not the pretty one I want you to see. That's funny. Let's do a before and after. Yeah, this is actually relevant. Part of how my life is going. Ding, 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 ding. I think it's here. Here we go. Yeah. So that was the coupe. Here's this Bukastonia. Here's the rough draft I have for this. This idea came out by interacting with cool cats down at Barnes & Noble. Because I'm a bit of a strange wizard with a broken body. But I dedicate Thursdays to myself. And so I told some people down at Barnes & Noble what I was doing, and they loved it. And so in the meta of it, I wanted to personify. Yeah, here we go. What day was this? About a week ago. Nice. So about a week ago, and then I've been stealing every ounce of life I could. And I'm almost there. This is almost done. I'm calling it done. I'm showing it off. People will not see too many differences between this and the end. Well, the edges will be cleaned up a little bit. Another sharpening pass. Little stones here and there. My goal is to be able to dress up. And I've been handing out my art cards. Yeah, here we are before we went to print with some old designs. Pretty good stuff. This is going to be on one. Happy Time Dream Fun Mat. So my goal today is to just let you listen to some pretty chill tunes while I explain what's going on in my life. Every day is a roll of the dice. I'm being crushed by my not quite disabilities, and yet I'm trying to keep a smile on my face and my chin up and shine my brightest light every day until we get reunited here. It's nihilistic, it's fatalistic, but it's not a self-defeating attitude. Why is that important? Because I feel that the harder I get squeezed, the more I gotta shine my light. Shine bright like a diamond. And so if I die tomorrow, my wife will at least be able to figure out how to take this to print and pass it around to everybody, like, let's make 2,000 of these and show them off everywhere, and turn it into books and games and shite, right? Hell yeah. Chillhop Radio is presently playing, and I can't even tell you who this is because I have the quality turned down on purpose so I can stream. Apparently Facebook is trying to promote my shit, which is good. I got distracted because, oddly enough, as I set out to do this, I started getting some positive feedback on another monitor. But again, worst case scenario, you were stuck looking at some of my pictures. Go to my Instagram, instagram.com/incomitado. Mental masseuse, storyologist, anthropologist, illustrator, barbarian, lumberjack. He's got a store. My friends over at Geeks Worldwide are selling my stuff on their Gumroad. So today I hope to finish this up. But here's the other thing, my friends. Trying to spin another disc over on my monitor 3. Yeah, I got several monitors. It's one of my only luxuries. Monitors. I got people monitoring me. Ankle monitors, hall monitors. I don't have a heart monitor. That's not me. Come on, friends. Facebook don't want to show me the thing that I wanted to show you. It's something I'm working on. Oh, the Fields of Dromora. Yeah, that's fine. Time to have a vote, right? So this is how this is turning out. It's turning out pretty great. Here's some little dudes that I actually know. I drew their faces while I was trying to practice drawing faces. So, I mean, sometimes you gotta do it that way. I think this is the current straw poll we've got up, if it'll go. Which of these SIM cards should get to go to the dance? Should it be A, B, C, or D? The poll closes right now, as I'm doing this, 7 days ago. Show results, kids. By a very slim margin, D, the Omni Zydel. Alright, that's great. What's the deadline? Right now. Deadline set. The Omni Zydel. I don't know if I've got that by itself. Art. I'm good at organization, I promise. Tink, 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 tink. I think this is it. This is actually one of the larger files I'm opening, because I like to show off my work. I can just shove it right out the door and into your face and say, look at this on social media. And it might not be good. Like, you might not get the impression that I want you to. Is art any good if it has to be explained though, man? I don't know. I really don't. Reading Photoshop format. Come on, dudes. Let's just open up the file. It's alright. We can have the file open. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm gonna have to click some buttons. This was A. Sorry you didn't win. This was B. Sorry you didn't win, B. This was C. Sorry you didn't win, C. This was D. That's good, it gets me back to my roots. So the Omni Zydel gets to go to the dance. Before that, people voted for other things, and lo, it was good. Oh yeah, here's the other one I'm doing. Oh, you went by too fast. I didn't really get to see. Well, if you want to see it, it's all on my Instagram. Here's more faces I was doing. More faces I've been doing. Just trying to get better. These are pretty okay. Trying to nail down a style for the characters before I sprint and make a million character cards for Sojourn. Here's me working on proportions. I think this girl's so cute. She's a mushroom hunter. Yeah, like, I think that these proportions are actually okay, depending on how we want to say, how old we want to say she is. This is a few years younger than this. This is like a teenager, kind of like Wendy in, I would hope, in Gravity Falls. Shout out to Gravity Falls. Shout out to Kippo and the Wonderbeasts and all the awards it's going to win. Here we go. World 1-1. This is something that I hope to be able to print and send to you guys soon. And here's our poem. And here is the last one. So today I'm going to make 4 unique images, and there will be a brand new poll. We'll have to see what we come up with. Thank you so much for giving me any of your attention at all. The sand of your hourglass is important to me. If you would like to check out more of my art, Facebook.com/Andrew Chasen Design. Right here. That's me. Where I'm trying to put out the weirdest light I can and be received in all my intention every day. Whatever that means. You decide. I'm using more emojis in my headers, and I think it's cute. Just like these polarities. If I can switch the lighting on this. Yeah, these all say something about what I'm trying to say. Dan Harmon's a real big proponent of spicy polarities. This is why these lemons are important. If you've got proper polarities, you can even make a radio in the jungle. It's all science. Well, kids, marketing is the magic of mind control. And I hope that I've convinced you that you want to check out more of my art and help me get 140 followers today. New ones. Not just 240. Let's make it 280 by the end of the night. You heard me. This is me, Incomitatum, signing off. Stay curious. Breathe well. And drink water.